Hello students, welcome to Classic NEET Academy. We are going to solve the questions asked NEET 2021 biology questions, and here the zoology questions are here. The first one, receptors for sperm binding in mammals are present on zona pellucida, corona radiata, vitelline membrane, perivitelline space, and the correct answer will be the zona pellucida, which is a glycoprotein layer. Okay students, the second one will be which stage of meiotic prophase shows terminalization of chiasmata as its distinctive feature. So among the given options, yes, this is the right answer, diakinesis. Clear students? So that is the answer given. The organelles that are included in the endomembrane systems, so all are going to be connected. So among the given options you can see here, so that will be yes, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, then there will be lysosomes and vacuoles. So we will go with the third options here. Yes, that's given here. A specific recognition sequence identified by endonucleases to make cuts at specific positions within the DNA. So that will be the endonucleases here. So here palindromic nucleotide. So that will be the right answer. Okay, so fourth option is given. Select the favorable conditions required for the formation of oxyhemoglobin at the alveoli. So what are those conditions now? So there should be high partial pressure of oxygen. Okay, then there should be low partial pressure of carbon dioxide, less H plus and lower temperature. So this will help in the association of oxygen with the hemoglobin. So that's given. So that is the correct answer. Here the match the following, you can match it from animal kingdom. Physalia is the Portuguese man of war, limulus, it is the living fossils. Okay, Ancylostoma is the hookworm, and Pinctada will be the pearl oyster. So hope you all did correctly. So the option will be the fourth one. Yes, that's given. Dobson unit are used to measure thickness. Yes, this is very easy questions. That is ozone, direct NCERT. Okay students, now which one of the following belongs to the family Muscidae, that is Musca domestica. So that's our housefly. Okay, so first option, venereal diseases can spread through, that means the STDs only, sexually transmitted diseases. Using sterile noodles it will not be coming. So transfusion of blood from infected persons can be infected mother to fetus also. So these two are no chance. So we will go with the B and C options. That means that is the fourth one. Okay students, so that's given. Which is the only enzyme that has capability to catalyze initiation, elongation and termination in the process of transcription in prokaryotes? So that will be DNA dependent RNA polymerase. So third option is given. Okay, now again match the following. So what? Yes, the same thing can be given. Entry of sperm through cervix is blocked. IUDs, intrauterine devices, phagocytosis of sperms. Okay, so it should be the non-medicated IUD. Then vasectomy, that is the removal of vas deferens, and tubectomy, yes, removal of fallopian tube only. So the option given, that is the third options given correctly. Okay students, now again match the following. Aspergillus niger. Yes, then there is Acetobacter. Aceti means acetic acid, Clostridium butylicum, that is butyric acid, Lactobacillus. Okay, then this goes to the citric acids only. Yes, so among the given options, second options will be matching correctly. Yes, identify the incorrect pair here. Drugs, resins, actually it is the toxic. Okay, so first option itself will be the right answer. Alkaloids, codeine, toxin, abrine and resins, both are toxins only. Then lectins, yes, so correctly given students. So first option. The partial pressures of oxygen and carbon dioxide alveoli. In alveoli, partial pressure of oxygen will be 104, that's what we have studied, and carbon dioxide will be 40 mm of Hg. So second option is the right answer. Okay, sphincter of Oddi, where it is present? Yeah, it is present at the junction of, yes, hepatopancreatic duct and duodenum. Okay, so that junction is guarded by this sphincter. So that is the correct answer. Which of the following RNAs is not required for synthesis of protein? That means the translation, we need mRNA, rRNA and tRNA, but we don't require this siRNA, that is a small interference RNA and all. So that is the answer given. Succus entericus. Okay, so that is the another name for our intestinal juice. So that is another easy direct questions from NCERT. Persons with the AB blood group are called as universal recipients. Universal recipients. Okay, and what could be the reason? We know there will be both antigen A and B, but there won't be the antibodies, and antibodies A and B will be present not on the RBCs, they will be present in the plasma. So the first option itself is the right answer given. Okay, which of the following characteristics is incorrect with respect to cockroach? Now, 10th abdominal segment in both sexes bears pair of anal cerci. Yeah, that is the common feature. A ring of gastric ceca is present at the junction of midgut and hindgut. Okay, actually it should be midgut and foregut, or you can say foregut and midgut. Yeah, so that will be the right answer. Okay, so remaining you can see hypopharynx lies within the cavity enclosed by the mouth parts. In female, 7th to 9th sterna together form genital pouch. Yes, that is also correctly given. So that is the option given. Which of the following statements wrongly represents the nature of smooth muscles? These muscles are present in the wall of blood vessels. Correct only. These muscles have no striations. Yeah, unstriated muscles. They are involuntary. Yes, we can't move as per our will. Lastly, communication among these cells performed by intercalated disc. That is the unique feature of our cardiac muscles. So that will be the right answer. Okay. Which one of the following organism bears hollow and pneumatic long bones? Now, it is the adaptation of the flying birds. Yeah, the birds which can fly. So here, Ornithorhynchus, Neophron, Hemidactylus, Macropus, and this is the vulture Neophron. So that will be the right answer given. Okay. If adenine makes 30% of the DNA molecules, what will be the percentage of thymine, guanine and cytosine? So this is another easy question from the Chargaff's rules. Okay, we have studied the amount of purines and pyrimidines is going to be same. So you have to do the calculation, then you will come to know that. Yeah, so the fourth options will be the right answer. Yes, please go through it. So that is given. Which enzyme is responsible for the conversion of inactive fibrinogen into fibrins? Yeah, that is the last step of the blood clotting, yeah, coagulation process, and it will be the thrombin, yes, which is converting the fibrinogen into fibrins. So that is given. In a cross between a male and female, both heterozygous for sickle cell anemia, okay, what percentage of the progeny will be diseased? Okay, you can just, okay, HBS, okay, and HBS and HBA. So in that, okay, so you will be getting, once you cross, yes, you will come to know that the 25% will be affected. Okay, so in that case, fourth option only will be the answer. Yes, students, it's given correctly. Now, which one of the following is an example of hormone releasing IUD? That is levonorgestrel 20, LNG 20 only. So that will be the right answer. Okay, students, now the next one, the centriole undergoes duplication, yes, which help in the formation of the spindle apparatus and all. Yes, that is the S phase itself. So second option is the right answer. Chronic autoimmune disorder affecting neuromuscular junction NMJ leading to fatigue, weakening and paralysis of skeletal muscles, and that is our favorite disorder, that is the myasthenia gravis, autoimmune disorder. Yes, where the receptors are either destroyed or blocked by our own antibodies produced by our own body. Yes, so fourth option is the right answer, students. For effective treatment of the disease, early diagnosis and understanding its pathophysiology, it's very, very important. Yes, which of the following molecular diagnostic techniques is very useful for early detections? Now, among the given options, yeah, it is given in the NCERT directly. Yes, in that it is given ELISA. Okay, students, so we will go with the enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. So that will be the right answer. Then the next one, read the following statement. Yes, metagenesis is observed in helminths. Is it so? Metagenesis, alternation of generations, characteristic feature of Zylindreta. Echinoderms are triploblastic and coelomate. Yes, correct. Roundworms have organ system level of body organization. Correct. Comb plates present in ctenophores help in the digestion. Actually, it is helping for locomotion, not for digestion. Water vascular system is characteristics. Yeah, unique feature of echinoderms. That is also correct. So among the given options, except yes, except this, yes, okay, so these two statements are wrong. Yeah, A and D will be wrong, others are correctly given. So it is the first option itself. Yes, B, C and E. Yes, very good. So that's the answer given. Now the next one, erythropoietin hormone which stimulates RBC formation. Yes, that is our JG cells, okay, present in the kidney. Yes, JG cells, juxtaglomerular cells. Okay, so that is the correct answer. Alpha, beta, what do they produce? You know very well. Now the next one, with regard to insulin, choose the correct option. C peptide is not present in mature insulin. Yes, that is correctly given. The insulin produced by recombinant DNA technology has C peptide. No, we don't recover this one, so we will not be making that one. The pro-insulin has C peptide. Yeah, that is correct. A peptide and B peptide of insulin are interconnected by disulfide. Yeah, that's also correctly given. Okay, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Yes, students, what are the correct ones? Yes, so answer is 4 only except B, A, C and D. Very good. Now the match the following. Metamerism, yes, that is the feature of Annelida. Okay, canal system, yes, that is porifera. Complex cylindrate kadayadu, tenophora. Nidoblast, yeah, cylindrata feature. Okay, nidoblast, yeah, nidocytes, correct. So option 4 is given. Yes, you can match it. Yes, it's given correctly. Which of the following is not an objective of biofortification? Improve micronutrients and mineral content, definitely. Improve protein content, improve resistance to disease. Okay, this will not be coming. Improve vitamin content is also correct. Okay, so what is not correct now? Yes, that is the third one. Yes, that is correct given. During the process of gene amplification using, yes, polymerized chain reaction, if very high temperature is not maintained in the beginning, then which of the following steps of PCR will be affected? Yeah, ligation, annealing, extension, denaturation. The first step itself is the denaturation, breaking of the hydrogen bonds, those hydrogen bonds. Yes, that will not be happening, so that is the answer given. Okay. The fruit fly has 8 chromosomes in each cells. Okay. During interphase of mitosis, if the number of chromosomes at the G1 phase is 8, what would be the number of chromosomes after S phase? You know very well the number of chromosomes is not going to be changing, Leah. So it is just duplicating only the content. So answer will be the second option only. Okay, students, so that will be the right answer. Now questions from section B, assertion reason questions. A person goes to high altitude and experiences altitude sickness with the symptoms like breathing difficulty and heart palpitations. Yeah, even yes, that heartbeat also can be heard outside. Due to low atmospheric pressure at high altitude, the body does not get sufficient oxygen. So what do you think, students? Okay, in the light of the above statements, choose the incorrect answer. Okay, I think both are correct and it's giving the correct explanation only. Okay, so what will be the option, ma? Yes, both A and B are correct. Okay, yes, correct explanation. So second option is given correctly. Statement 1, the codon AUG codes for methionine and phenylalanine, only for methionine, not for phenylalanine. Am I right? Statement 2 is telling, yes, this AAA and AAG codons code for amino acid lysines. Yeah, that's also correct. That's correct. Okay, so first one is, sorry, the statement first is wrong, second one is correct. So what is that option, ma? Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is true, ma. Okay, so that is the answer given. Very good. Following are the statements about prostomium of earthworm. Prostomium of earthworm. Okay, so please go through the options. It serves as a covering for mouth, it's given correctly. It helps to open cracks in the soil into which it can crawl, that's also true. It is one of the sensory structure, that's also correct. And finally, it is the first body segment. Actually, the first body segment is not prostomium, actually it is the peristomium. Okay, so only this one will be wrong. So choose the correct answer from the options given below now. Okay, students, A, B, C are correct. So second option would be given. Yeah, that's given. Okay, peristomium will be the first segment. Okay, not the prostomium. Which of the following is not a step in multiple ovulation embryo transfer, MOET technology? Now, fertilized eggs are transferred to surrogate mothers at 80 to 32 cell stage, correct only. Cow is administered hormone having LH like activity. Is it LH like activity? No, it should be FSH like activity. Okay, students, cow yields about 6 to 8 eggs at a time, correct. Cow is fertilized by artificial insemination, also correct. So our answer will be the second option. Yes, that's given. Identify the types of cell junctions that helps to stop the leakage of the substances across a tissue and facilitation of communication with the neighboring cells through rapid transfer of ions and molecules, given, ma. So what is the answer? Adhering junctions? No, it should be tight junctions. First of all, there will be tight junctions, then there will be gap junctions. Okay, so then only it will be right. So third option will be given. Yes, very good. Which of the following secretes the hormone relaxin during the later phase of pregnancy? Now, uterus, Graafian follicle, corpus luteum, fetus. Actually, it is from the ovary given in our NCERT. So we go with this third option, corpus luteum, which is a part of ovary. Okay. Yes, very good. During muscular contraction, which of the following events occur? Now, H zone definitely disappear. A band widens. Actually, it is the entire length of the myosins and nothing happens to this A band. I band reduces in width, correctly given. Myosin hydrolyzes ATP, breaks ATP, very good, to provide the energy. Z lines attached to actins are pulled inwards is also correct. Then only the sarcomere will be contracting. So the option, yes, given. The correct answers except this B, I think. Okay, students. So second option, yes, correct. Okay, so second option is the answer given. Very good. The adenosine deaminase deficiency result into not Addison's, Parkinson's digestive disorder. So that is dysfunction of immune system. So from biotechnology we have studied. So that is the answer given. Okay, students. Then match the following adaptive radiations. Adaptive radiations you can match with this Darwin fringes. Convergent evolution. Yes. Yes, what can be the answer? Yes, wings of butterfly and bird can be given. Okay, students, now here is divergent evolution is bonds of forelimb in man and whale can be given, and finally anthropogenic, yes, that is the selection of resistant varieties due to excessive use of herbicides and all. So among the given options you can match it and see, my dear students, it will be the second option. Yes, that is correct. Okay. Which of these is not an important component of initiation of parturition in humans? Now, release of prolactin. Do you think any role prolactin will perform? It is actually helping in the secretion, yeah, synthesis of the milk and all, not for the parturition. So, yeah, so we know that the lactation comes only after the parturition. Increase in estrogens and progesterone ratio. Actually, there is a increase in the estrogen and decrease in the progesterone actually. So in that case it is happening. Synthesis of prostaglandins is a substance which help in the contraction activities and all. Release of oxytocin, definitely it is required for the parturition. So we go with the first option only, that is the more accurate. Now the next one, following are the statements with reference to lipids. Lipids having only single bonds are called unsaturated. Is it so? It should be saturated. Am I right? Now, lecithin is a phospholipid, correct only. Dihydroxypropane is glycerol, both are correct. Palmitic acid has 20 carbon atoms. Is it so? I think it is having 16, and arachidonic acid has 16 is given. It should be 20, I think. So only B and C will be the correct. Okay, so that means the option 4 is given correctly. Again, one match the following. Allen's rule you can match with polar, seal and all. Okay, physiological adaptation will be the kangaroo rat. Okay, without drinking water it can survive. Behavior adaptation is desert lizard, and biochemical can be given to marine fish at depth. Okay, so please match it and see, and you will come to know it is the fourth options. It will be the fourth options, yeah, given correctly. Okay, again one more match the following. Filariasis, yeah, elephantiasis you can given to Wuchereria bankrupti, yeah, Wuchereria malay we have studied. Amoebiasis is protozoan disease, that is Endamoeba histolytica. Pneumonia, yes, Haemophilus influenzae, and finally the ringworm due to fungi, that is the Trichophyton. And please match it and see, and you will come to know that it is the third option will be given correctly. Yes, now we have the second last question. Which one of the following statement about histone is wrong? Histones carry positive charge inside inside. Okay, it's correct only because the DNA will be negative charge. Am I right? Histones are organized to form a unit of 8 molecules. That's also correct. The pH of histone is slightly acidic. It's not acidic actually. It should be, yeah, basic. And finally histones are rich in amino acids like lysines, arginine and all. Yes, given correctly. Okay, so what is wrong now? Yes, this is the third options. And finally the match the following again from the chapter locomotion. Scapula, you know, it is the triangular flat bone. Okay, our shoulder blade actually. Cranium, that is having the fibrous joint. Am I right? And the sternum will be the flat bone, the breastbone, and finally vertebral column will be having cartilaginous joints. And if you match it, you will come to know it is the first option. Okay, so that's all students. Hope it was a very easy, all questions from direct NCERT only. So thank you for watching. Thank you.